Here's a 2-minute recipe for making Tahchin, a traditional Persian dish. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 1 pound chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, 2 large eggs, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon ground saffron, dissolved in 2 tablespoons hot water, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in salted water for about 2 hours, then drain. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and add the soaked rice. Cook the rice until it's parboiled, partially cooked, about 6-7 minutes. Drain the rice and set it aside. In a separate pot, poach the chicken thighs in water with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are fully cooked. Once cooked, shred the chicken into small pieces and set it aside. In a large bowl, beat the eggs and mix them with yogurt, half of the dissolved saffron, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a non-stick round baking dish, spread a layer of the parboiled rice to form the base. Press it down gently to make an even layer. Add a layer of the shredded chicken on top of the rice. Press it down gently. Continue layering the rice and chicken until you run out of ingredients, ending with a layer of rice on top. Cover the baking dish with aluminium foil and bake in the preheated oven for about 45 minutes to 1 hour or until the rice is fully cooked and forms a crispy golden crust. Once the Tahchin is ready, let it cool for a few minutes, then place a large plate over the baking dish and carefully flip it over to transfer the Tahchin onto the plate. Garnish with the remaining saffron water and melted butter on top. Enjoy your homemade Tahchin, a delightful and flavorful Persian dish made completely from scratch.